We're going to begin on lesson 7.3b. The writing is too small, so I rewrote it, but we are on number 1. This lesson is on x minus a equals b. What that means is a variable minus a number equals another number. So remember the first step, we rewrite it and line up the equal signs. And we clean it up. We check to see if it needs to be turned to addition, and it does. So we add up. If I go too fast, all you have to do is hit pause. Now we have k plus -9 equals -2. So we look and find the variable is k, and we ask ourselves what's being added to k. -9 is being added to k, so we have to undo that, and to undo it we add the opposite to both sides. It was -9, so we add +9 to both sides. The next step is to simplify. On the left side, to simplify, 9 plus -9 equals 0. So we have k left. Drop it down. We have our equal sign left, so drop it down. And we have -2 plus 9, which is 7. Put a box around it and check your answer. Ask yourself, does 7 minus 9 equal -2? 7 minus 9 is -2, so we've done that one correctly. Okay, now I want to show you how to do number 3. It's almost the same, but there is one difference. If you look at it, when you clean it up, you have a minus minus. Whenever we do that, we need to add up, so rewrite it. And we don't ever want to have two negative signs together. So we just say to ourselves, add up. And whenever we have two minuses, they both end up being pluses, because we have to change this one to add, change this one to the opposite, which is +5. Now we have a problem like we know how to solve already. 5 is being added to the variable, so we have to add -5. If we add -5 to this side, we have to add -5 to the right side. Again, -5 and +5 are opposites, so they cancel out, leaving g. Drop it down. Drop your equal sign down, and then -13 plus -5 is -18. That should be your answer. Put a box around it. And then go back and ask yourself, does -18 minus -5 equal -13? If you're not sure, you can type it out on your calculator and see what it comes out to. Or just remember, a minus negative is a plus, so -18 plus 5 is -13. That one is correct. Okay, let's turn it over and look at the back, number 15. This one has to have an equation. Equations have equal signs and variables in them. It says, after withdrawing $16.50 from her bank account, Yoshiko had $71.57 left. How much was in the account before the withdrawal? So the first thing I always want you to do is ask yourself, what is the question? What are they asking? The question is how much? And we're measuring how much in dollars on this problem. So our label should be dollars. So the equation, it says after withdrawing. So she started somewhere and we want to know where she started. So let's put D for dollars. And a withdraw means she takes out money. So that's a subtraction. And she takes out $16.50. It says after that she had $71.57 left, so that would mean it equals $71.57 left. Once you solve that problem, you will have the answer to the question. Don't forget your label. look down at number 17. It says, after photographing sea life at 25 meters below the surface of the sea, an oceanographer lowered the camera another 48 meters. At what elevation was the camera's second location? So again, we're going to circle the question, at what elevation? So now we ask ourselves, where did it start? It started at 25 meters below. So that would be negative 25. And then they dropped it another 48 meters, so that would be subtracting 48 meters. And now it is at X meters below the surface.